Unlike a PC motherboard, obviously the value is not the same, but there's definitely some value. You have the IC chips here. You have a few more here. Not, I guess you can call them flat packs here. You got your CPU, GPU. You can easily remove these, I guess, heat plates, as they call them, or at least that's what I've seen them called. These are obviously aluminum. Take them out, and then you have the chip, which has gold in it. You have a lot of monolithic capacitors. These little small guys. There's plenty of them, and for some reason on the PlayStation, they're practically all huge. So the weight is pretty good on them, and I usually get about $4 per 4 ounces of these.